Gathosha mwanya ni gucoka ringi na gikorwo ni rita ria kuria mbere gucemania na page ino, make sure ni wa subscribe. Like all of us, muthe Kiengei wa Ûrîa ni akorwo agikinyirwo ni ndumiriri cia atumia eri ni Joyce wa Mamaa na Kate uria urakuruhanio na giko gia kunyamaria Joyce wa Mamaa na arata ake hindi ya birthday. Mûtumia uria twakorwo tugitaukwo endagia keki kana athondekaga keki cia magongona, na muthe Kiengei ni atumira comment yake gukorwo agiikia na kuri Joyce wa Mamaa na muhiki uyu uretwo Kate Murege, na athie na mbere kuga ati we na Kate ni arata. Acoka andika akiuga, in the Joyce and Kate scenario, thank God that I know Joyce and I know Kate, they are both my friends. My sisters, don't clap for these social media fights. It's not always what you see. Think and see beyond. Joyce, you've never involved yourself in these social media fights. Kate, your cake business is thriving so well. My sisters, see beyond the abuses and comments. Remember, I can spot your fellow musicians commenting and cake bakers commenting. Jetagwo Ben Modo wonete na akonio maige. Muthe Kiengei arauga Kate na Joyce mageriire kuonana na makoro makiona hau kafere makiria kafere ga comment iria ireikio nenda-ini. Kiengei akiuga gutiri undu mwega umaga kana ugatuika solved through bara cia social media. Arauga any trolls, fights or character assassination on social media always come with a target or personal influence. Jitagwo Reverend Ben Modo wonete na akonio maige. Aige aria makoro magi comment uhoro wigie Ndeto icio ni Ruth wa Mamaa kiuga, guy, I was in this birthday after kutoka few minutes this happened. Woi pole sana Joyce wa Mamaa and the rest, thank you God for saving my life. Mpone haraka my friends, mbona ufanyie watu hivyo? Aki, you wanted to kill wa, God forgive you. Queen Paloma arauga, not everyone that calls you my favorite likes you, wengine ni watumwa wa shetani. We thank God you are okay. Justice to Joyce wa Mamaa. Joyce wa Mamaa ni akoro akiaria iguru rigie Ndeto icio na akoro akiuga mucie koguo ni turehoka ndene na nguraro na ni arathie na mbere wega, na no twende gukorwo tukimenya even the other side of the story ya muhiki ucio, na Ndeto ni iratherema kure social media ati auma akinya igotini no ndanakorwo wa gukinya, koguo ni Ndeto tutangi comment beyond how tugene Ndeto iria itukinyire guku gwitu ihinda ni riri, tukorwo tukionana in our next video. Thie na mbere na subscribe.
Goko ni gwa Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia, gwakia atia na gwatuka atia.